Pacing strategies, mastering time management on the SAT reading section. Hey there! If you're gearing up to take the SAT, one crucial skill you'll need to master is time management. Today, we'll delve deep into pacing strategies specifically for the reading comprehension section. So, whether you tend to run out of time during practice tests or just want to hone your timing skills, stick around. Before diving into the strategies, it's essential to understand the layout of the reading section. The SAT reading section consists of 52 questions. You will have 65 minutes to answer them. This section typically has 5 passages, each followed by 10 to 11 questions. Doing the math, this gives you approximately 75 seconds per question or about 12 to 13 minutes per passage, including reading time and answering the questions. One effective strategy is to skim the passage first to get the general idea. This should take no more than 2 to 3 minutes. Once you have a basic understanding. 1. Answer general or main idea questions first, since you've just skimmed the entire passage. 2. For specific detail questions, you can then refer back to the passage. This saves you from reading the passage in depth initially, only to find that you need to look back later. Not all passages are created equal. Here's a strategy for the different types. 1. Literature passages. These can be challenging due to their interpretive nature. Spend a little more time understanding the main idea and tone. 2. Science passages. Look for data and understand the main hypothesis or argument. These are often more straightforward. 3. Historical and social studies passages. Identify the main argument or point of view. Watch out for older language or complex sentence structures. Decide on an order based on your strengths. If you're great at science, tackle those passages first. Play to your strengths. Having a watch or timer nearby is crucial. Here's a pacing tip. After every passage, quickly check your time. If you're falling behind, you might decide to skip a more challenging passage and come back to it if there's time at the end. Remember, every question counts the same. So, spending too much time on one question can be detrimental. The more you practice, the better you'll get at pacing yourself. Use official SAT practice tests to simulate the real testing environment. This will not only help you get used to the types of passages and questions but also solidify your pacing strategies. And there you have it. Pacing is vital for maximizing your score on the SAT reading section. Remember, it's all about understanding the format, having a strategy for each passage type, and keeping an eye on the clock. With consistent practice and the right techniques, you'll be well on your way to acing this section. Best of luck, and happy studying!